I've got some scrambled up Datsun content for you today.
We'll start with this one. I want to see if the engine will run. Do I really need to speak? This, you can tell, is a truck that's been sitting in a field for a very long time. I have a video on it where I recovered this unit, this one and another one, and I want to see if I can make it run. Number 4 cylinder has rust, at least a little bit in it. Critters got in here, not terrible, but they have got in here, and they got in the top of the carburetor a little bit. I could tell a valve's hitting back here in the back, so that's what's allowing the engine not to turn. We'll look inside here and see what's going on. Ah, well, that sucks. I was really hoping for a good engine. This is possibly rebuildable, I don't know, but it is rough. You can see that, man. There's a good wrench out of the deal. I think maybe that's what was holding the valve cover on there. 7/16 crescent. This truck also has a L20B in it, and I removed the valve cover on it. Same deal. I guess the tops of the engines kind of dry out and they corrode after that. One of those engines will have to be rebuilt. I bought those trucks to get an engine out of one of them to put into this Datsun 520. It's a 1968. Now onto this one. I've been doing some metal fabrication. Looks like I'll have to do a little massaging, but this piece should fit in there one way or the other. Looks like that way might be better, actually. Not the perfect patch, but I'm gonna start welding it, and as I weld it, I'll manipulate the metal to make it fit in there, hopefully. When I left you last time, I was working on this piece right here that fits in the back window. I got it done. It's all welded up and patched up. I sprayed it with phospho acid and it's all cured out. Everything's done with this piece. I'll put some epoxy primer on it. I'm not gonna bond to it or anything like that because this is covered up by the head liner. I've been working on the rust above the back window so that I can install that piece on the inside of the cab. I keep jumping up on the tailgate and I noticed it's got a crack here, a crack here, and a crack here, so I better fix that real quick before I bend the thing over. That'll have to do for now. I got them welded up and put a little gray paint on there so they won't rust. I've been plugging along. I've got a floor pan kind of made here, part of it, and I'll show you how I did it a little later. There's the original mount and a Benny built mount. A Benny built mount in the truck. And now it's time to fire up the welder. Here's how the pan fits in there, like that. So glad to be on the last corner here. All the areas in this truck are rotted out differently, so I'm having to fix them different. This one needs this piece right here. See, it's got that lip in the back of the cab, so it'll fit. It will fit like this. Then this piece will go right here, like that, and I'll weld it all up. I had to make all 4 corner support brackets and the flooring on top of it. The reason I do it this way, just the corners, because I got to get started here on this corner, get everything in place. Then I will go into this section and fix it. All welded in the last corner. And left front, left rear, right front, right rear. And I am so happy to be done with all these corners. And the last bracket. There's a right front. I guess that was the one in the worst condition. I know I said I was going to show you how I made the floor pan with this bead roller, but I got distracted and didn't even realize I didn't film it. The floors are coming out pretty nice in this truck. I still have a lot of patching to do, but those 4 corners had to be done first. And now I can, if I have to, take the cab off of the truck or whatever I have to do to finish up the job. We're actually almost there. Just trying to get back in the swing of things. I hadn't been posting for a while, and that's why this video is so scrambled up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt at your service.